Crisan Hair Oil is marketed as a hair care product that claims to promote hair growth, reduce hair fall, nourish the scalp, and leave your hair healthier and shinier. The before and after photos can be convincing, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing say? Now, to be fair, hair oils can help moisturize the hair and scalp, reduce dryness, and improve the appearance of hair. However, they're not a guaranteed solution for hair loss or thinning. What it does well, helps moisturize the hair. Hair oil can reduce dryness and leave hair feeling softer and smoother. May improve shine. Regular use can make hair appear healthier and less frizzy. Where the hype falls apart. It's not a proven hair loss treatment. Hair oil alone won't reverse genetic hair loss or treat underlying medical causes of thinning hair. Results vary between users. Hair type, scalp condition, genetics, and overall health all affect the outcome. Consistency matters. Any cosmetic improvements usually require regular use over time and are often temporary. So, should you buy Crisan Hair Oil? Short answer, maybe if you're looking for a moisturizing hair oil. If your goal is softer, shinier hair and a healthier feeling scalp, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to dramatically regrow hair or stop hair loss on its own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.